rain stops coming down. Everyone here's been wondering, when will it be over? Hardly night train every evening. Maybe change is coming soon with the harvest moon. Take me down to the river, take me to the preacher man. I can't wait any longer, I messed up all I can. I hear the night train singing in the distance. Maybe the angels are coming soon with the harvest moon. If the river's rising, look to the dark horizon for the harvest moon, yeah. Wait a minute, just a little bit longer. It's all up to me.
Ta-da!
You.
We got
Wait a minute, just a little bit
or dope.
longer. It's all up to me.
1,000-yard gun with a 40-yard shot.
Here we go. Had a good 8-point unique, 17 wide. Came in about 8 o'clock this morning, 45.70. Right back yonder, 30 yards. So, next shot, good deal.
David shot the feeder last night. All he saw was pigs. Made him cry. Pulled out his 270 and let one fly. David shot the feeder last night. Down, 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 down.
2 hunters walked into the woods and 2 hunters walked out of the woods. What's the difference between the 2 hunters?
I don't know if saying anything.
Well, shit.
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm so scared in case I fall off my chair, and I'm wondering how I'll get down the stairs.